Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to include a business card in your Microsoft Outlook email message. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait a moment for your emails to load completely so you can access all the tools and features you'll need for this process. Now that your emails have loaded, you're ready to start including a business card in your email message. Look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on this button to open up a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll be able to access all the necessary tools for adding your business card. Once the email composition screen opens, direct your attention to the top part of the window where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the Insert tab. This tab contains various options for adding different elements to your email, including attachments, pictures, tables, and of course, business cards. The Insert tab is essentially your gateway to enhancing your email with additional content beyond just plain text. After clicking on the Insert tab, you'll notice the business card drop-down option displayed directly in the toolbar. This makes it incredibly convenient to add professional contact information to your messages. Click on this business card drop-down to reveal a list of available business cards you can include in your email. These are typically contact cards that have been saved in your Outlook contacts, making it easy to share professional information with your recipients. From the list that appears, simply click on the business card you want to add to your email. The card will be inserted directly into your message body, displaying the contact information in a professional and organized format. This feature is particularly useful when you want to share your contact details or introduce colleagues to your email recipients, as it provides a clean, standardized way to present professional information. And that's it. You've successfully included a business card in your Microsoft Outlook email message, making it easier to share professional contact information with your recipients. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.